What does time mean? It can mean a lot of things. I'll tell you what. Move 10 kilometers outside of the Earth's orbit. What time is lunch? What time is dinner? When is your birthday? Time, as we calculate it on the Earth, becomes completely irrelevant once you move outside of the Earth's orbit. You know, how old are you when you're 50 kilometers outside of the Earth's orbit? Does it matter when you were born? You know, does it matter what time? You know, if you're wearing a wristwatch, it means nothing. It's irrelevant. What time, you know, the point is, I could sit here and say, what time is this? When will this be? It doesn't matter. Once you move outside of the Earth's orbit, time the way we calculate it becomes completely irrelevant. So it's only relevant when you're on the Earth. Then it becomes, well, how do you decode time? You know, think about that one. We're decoding time the way human beings decode time. How does a squirrel? Squirrel's a great example. They're running around outside all over the place. Watch the squirrel. Watch the chipmunk. Has all these rapid movements, right? To the squirrel, its rapid movements are quite normal. To itself, it's moving very normally. The way your hand or whatever part of your body, you know, observing, looks normal to you. The squirrel doesn't see itself as being too fast. It has a lifespan of like 3 or 4 years, I believe. To the way we calculate time, that seems like it's not very long. The squirrel would say that, you know, if it could talk to us, the squirrel would say that it feels that it has a very long and full lifespan. You know, take it down to a smaller scale. Take it down to a smaller scale and look at, observe a housefly. Housefly lives for what, about a week? If you were able to communicate with, you know, intelligibly with the fly would say that it has a very long and full lifespan. The fly decodes time. Time is relative to size, actually. You know, the decoding of time, I should say, is relative to size. You know, you look at its wings and they're moving so quickly that the wings are almost imperceptible to your eyes. You know, to the housefly, its wings seem to be moving very slowly. Seem to be pushing air very slowly away from it. The housefly perceives raindrops. It's a rainy day today, so makes me think of it. The housefly perceives raindrops as nearly static. You know, they're still, moving very slowly to the fly. So slowly, in fact, that the fly can fly around the raindrops. They're a minor annoyance. You know, and the rain moves by so quickly to you or I that we could barely perceive the raindrop falling. Time is all in how you decode it. Time is meaningless. Time is cyclic, actually. I shouldn't say that time is meaningless. Time, in the way that we measure it and the way we're enslaved to it. Oh my God, I have to get to work. Oh my, all that stuff. That's the irrelevant part of time. That's the part of time that you know, our society, the way our society is constructed, time becomes all encompassing, all important.